CFT Trocar, precision meets performance. In the world of laparoscopic surgery, precision and efficiency are crucial. Introducing the CFT Trocar, designed to enhance surgical performance with close, fit, and tight innovation. Minimized gas leakage. Maintaining stable intra-abdominal pressure is essential. The CFT Trocar's airtight seal prevents gas leakage, ensuring optimal visualization and control throughout the procedure. Reduce tissue trauma. Designed for gentle insertion, the CFT Trocar minimizes entry force, reducing the risk of tissue damage and postoperative pain. Enhanced stability. A secure fit is key. The CFT Trocar's close fit mechanism ensures stability, preventing unwanted slippage and improving surgeon confidence. Improved instrument maneuverability. Trocar allows surgeons to operate effortlessly, maintaining control and visibility at all times. Lower risk of complications. Precision matters. The CFT Trocar's optimized entry design reduces the risks of herniation, bleeding, and infection, ensuring safer outcomes for patients. Compatibility with various instruments. Versatile and efficient, the CFT Trocar is compatible with a range of laparoscopic instruments, offering flexibility without compromising pneumoperitoneum. Experience the future of laparoscopic surgery. CFT Trocar. Close, fit, tight. Precision redefined.